To construct an angled bisector using the geometry sketch pad, we'll follow the same outline we did when we were using the traditional tools. What we'll do here is we grab the circle tool, and using the vertex of the angle we will construct an arc that cuts both of the rays of the angle. We'll put a point at each of those intersection points. And then what I want to do is I want to make two equal length arcs from each of those intersection points. So in order to do that, I will grab the segment tool, come up here and make a segment. Then, with the segment highlighted and these two intersection points as the centers of those circles, I will tell it to construct circles by centers. So now the two circles that were just constructed are of the same radius because this is the radius of each one. I told this to be the radius. So now, if I place a point on this intersection, I can now create a angle bisector using this ray by connecting the vertex of the angle and that intersection point. To show you that it has indeed been bisected, we will come down here and we'll mark that angle, and we'll mark this angle, and then we will select let's see what's going on there. We will select these two if I can. There we go. Maybe I can get them now. Select these two marked angles. I've got one of them, I think. Maybe I've got them both. Angle. Okay, ABC. The top one is 17.4. And the bottom one, if I can open this up just a bit. Maybe I can select it now. There we go. And we'll measure that angle, and indeed is the very same, indicating we have an angle bisector. Now, that's using the procedure that we did with the traditional tools. However, if I have an angle, here's a new angle, and I'd like to bisect it, what I do is I'll come up and I will highlight, make the angle, making sure that the vertex point is the one I do second in the middle. Now I just come up here to construct menu and say construct the angle bisector, and boom, there it is. That's the quick and dirty way to use Sketchpad if it does not follow the traditional tools. And there are two different ways then of using Sketchpad to construct the angle bisector, both according to traditional tools and just using the construction menu.